Hello, hi everyone, this is Shrija. Welcome to Skin Real, where I talk all things skincare. So if you like skincare related content, then make sure that you subscribe. Likewise, you can also follow me on Instagram, where I post more regularly. So recently, or say in like past 2-3 weeks, I have seen so many videos on YouTube regarding the big Nykaa Pink sale. And so I thought that maybe I should also share with you guys that what I personally bought during this sale. Honestly, I bought a lot of non-facial skin related stuff. Actually, I did not get anything for my facial skincare because I did not need anything. That was the reason, and I'm really proud of myself for not giving into this Nykaa sale and not splurging, because I'm telling you, I have been on the other side and I have just unnecessarily bought items in the past which I did not need just because I thought they were cheaper. And I get it, sales and stuff are good, but still, even when you're buying during the sale, you need to ask yourself this question: that do you really need this product? Do you think it fits into your routine? And honestly, unnecessarily hoarding actives is also not a good thing, because say for instance you're using a vitamin C serum from one brand and you decide to get 5 bottles of it during the sale, even though without opening the product will start to oxidize unless it's an ampule. So do keep that in mind. All these products have a shelf life and you really don't need to hoard skincare. Just buy it when you need it. Like, that's what my philosophy, and I think it works really well for me. First product that I got during this Nykaa sale, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys because this is not a skincare product, it's actually a makeup product. And I have shopped for a lipstick, say about after like 2 to 3 years. Like, I'm not kidding. Yes, I did shop for a couple of lip tints in between, but that was it. I don't think I have shopped for a lipstick since like my 20, like I don't even remember when I got my last lipstick. So I was so excited to get 2 lipsticks from Bobbi Brown because they had this 1+1 offer going on, and I got 1 lipstick and one sort of like a liquid paint or whatever they call it. I don't know what they call it, but it's like more like a lip paint kind of a thing. So first shade that I got, I think it's from their range of crushed lip colors. And the first lip shade that I got, it's called Babe. It's the one that I'm wearing right now. So honestly, it's a little darker, but when I'm wearing a lipstick, what I like to do is I like to apply like 2-3 swatches, and then I sort of take a tissue paper and dab it, because I don't like very bright colors on my face. So this sort of leaves like a tint without actually using a lip tint. So I really prefer that. So the color that you see right now is sort of muted. If you just apply the lipstick, it's a little darker and it's like a really nice pink shade, and I do like it. And the second shade that I got, it's called Juicy. It's a nude lip paint. So I personally don't like to use nude lipsticks. What I like to do is that I like to pair my nude lipsticks or nude lip paints with like very bright hot pink colors or hot red. So that sort of, gives like it mutes down the color a bit, and that's what I use my nude lipsticks for. But with this one, I actually just used it as it is, and I did like how it looked on my face. So this was another, again, a makeup product that I got from Nykaa sale. The second product that I got, it's a shower oil mousse from Dove. I have previously used their argan oil variant, so I repurchased that one as well, and I also got the coconut variant. So this one actually just feels like a shaving foam. I'm not kidding. You just need to press it a bit and the foam keeps coming out, and it's just a very nice fun shower gel or like body wash, or call it whatever you want to. It's very nourishing on your skin. Your skin doesn't feel stripped off, and I really like this product. I'm personally not into shaving, but if you are into shaving, I think this can act as a good shaving foam because there's a lot of lather and it's really like hydrating for your skin. So you can give this product a try. Again, it was something that I've used in the past and I wanted to try the different variant, so I purchased it. And it's a body care product, and again, it's just like similar to your how your regular body shower gels work, but it's slightly more hydrating, I would say. Now moving on to my third product, and that is Bath & Body Works candles. They were on 60% off, and I'm a huge fan of Bath & Body Works candles. I don't like their body lotion and things like that because I just feel fragrance is too overwhelming, and honestly I don't find them hydrating enough. So I personally don't buy their skincare or perfumes and things like that. I only like their hand washes. They're also really nice, and I love their candles. I usually stock it up during their Christmas sale because it's like 1+1, but on Nykaa it was on 60% off, so I did get 1 candle. I honestly wanted to get 2-3, but I did control because I have another one lying from last year. So I was like, okay, I can purchase more during the Christmas sale. So I got one candle from Bath and Body Works. And yes, if you are into, you know, scented candles, I highly recommend you give Bath and Body Works try, because it's one of my personal favorite brands for scented candles. Yes, they're really expensive, so I would not personally buy them when they're not on sale. Just get them on sale, and even if you use it every day, it's going to last you for like, say, about a month, even if you use it half an hour every day. That's what I have noticed. So yes, it's definitely, this particular deal was a steal for me. Now let's move on to my fourth product. This was not something that I purchased for myself. My mom loves L'Oreal Mythic Oil. So I just restocked this particular oil from her. I'm not a huge fan, to tell you the truth. I think it's just like a fragrance serum that does nothing for me, but my mother and my brother, they both love it. They feel that, you know, after shampoo, if they use this serum, their hair is more like, it's fizz free, it's smooth and things like that. But yes, and if you're looking for a good affordable hair serum, you can give this product a try. Personally never worked for me, but you know, of course it can work for you. So definitely you can give this particular after shampoo hair treatment a try. I am currently trying L'Oreal Dreamblends, their leave-in cream. I did not get this during the Nykaa sale, but this is something that I purchased recently and I do like it. It's more affordable. It comes for like 500-600 rupees, and it does work on frizz. So, and I love the fragrance. So if you want to try that as well, if you have tried the Mythic Oil and it doesn't work for you, you can also look into this particular treatment for your hair. Now moving on to the last product that I got from Nykaa sale is, and these are just body lotions from Parachute. I have previously talked about, you know, my love for the Parachute milk and mint and body lotion. So I wanted to try other variants, and I'm telling you, I really finish my body lotion very quickly. Like a 400 ml won't last me more than 2 weeks. So that's why I stocked up on these, because they were on 50% off. But yeah, and if you're looking for like a good affordable hydrating body lotion, you can give these products a try. I do like Vaseline as well. I'm telling you, I personally don't mind fragrance in body skincare. So, but if you are someone who gets bothered by fragrance, you can look into Aveeno range. I find them really expensive for no reason. So that's the reason I don't purchase or recommend them. And Parachute really works well for me. So yeah, that is all I got from my Nykaa Pink sale. I'll soon be doing another video about other skincare products that I have been trying. Not everything is from Nykaa. You guys know that I love Korean beauties, of course. I'm trying a lot of products again from Korean brands. I will soon do a new video about the same. And if you enjoy watching my videos and you think that, you know, my videos are useful for you, then please share them with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do consider subscribing. I'll see you next time. Bye.